class, good morning. I'm so glad you're joining me. This is our last calendar day for this week. I only had Monday and Tuesday, so today is Tuesday. I'm excited you're joining me. Go ahead and start on your calendar page. We have April. This is our very last April page too. So today is, let's go ahead and pull out our schoolhouse. So I'm hoping for sunny again. I put sunny up there. So we've got, today is Tuesday, April. What is it? 28. Good. Tuesday, April 28. So you're going to write 28. And remember, we'll make a big S and then bring it back up and connect it. 28. Then our year is 2000, what is it? 2020, 2020. So that's 2020. In our digital date, what number do we use for April? We've been using it all this month. We should know it by now. That's right, 4. Down and across and down again. Remember, you can count too. January, February, March, April. How many months? It's the 4th month of the year. January's 1, and it goes down from there, or up rather. Okay, today's day is April 28. 2 and a nice neat 8. Make an S and bring it back up and around, and notice again my numbers are all filling my spaces nice and neat. Do your best work. Then for the year it's 2020. So we use our last number, which is 20. And it's the last 2 digits together to make the number 20. 4, 28, 20. Okay, we have been in school for, we're getting up to a very big number. Okay, so we have our 100, one big 100. We have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. And we have 2 ones. There's 1, 2, and now let's count how many days we've been in school. So this is our big 100. We got to count by tens, and remember, counting by tens helps you in math. You will be using counting by tens, counting by fives. It can help you as a strategy. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I can't hear you. You should be counting with me. Okay, we're going to count on from 100. And still counting by tens. We're going to count the tens. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Now we're going to count on from 150 to count our ones, and we'll count on by counting ones. So 151, 152. Wow. We have been in school for 152 days. That is a long time. So 1, 5, nice gentleman 5, 2. Notice all my numbers are the same height, and they are sitting there nice and neat together. So we've got our hundreds place, our tens place, and our ones place. What number do we have in our hundreds place? How many hundreds? Remember, that was the big blue one. 1. 100. How many fives? Sorry, rather. How many in our tens place? How many are there? There's a 5. My brain thought of the wrong thing, huh? Okay, and then in our ones place, what number is there? How many ones? We've got 2. Good job. That's also knowing your place value, your hundreds, your tens, and your ones. It's going to be used all the way up. So knowing which places and what number is in that place value is very important. Okay, so yesterday was, what was yesterday? It was the first day of our work week. Monday. Okay, today is, what is today? What comes after Monday? Tuesday. Good job. Tomorrow will be, what's tomorrow going to be? It's our long middle of the week day. Wednesday. Very good. Okay, so remember, this is the name of the day of the week. So it comes with what type of letter? Yes, uppercase. So T, uppercase. Then your U is nice and neat, dotted line to bottom. Your E, just like that. Little S under the dotted line, reaching to the bottom. D, top to bottom, put the tummy facing your S. And our two cool guys are hanging out at the end, A and Y. So look again, do all of your letters under the dotted line to the bottom line for your lowercase. Your T and your D are the only two that touch the top to bottom. And then your Y sneaks off the end there at the bottom. Very good. Okay, so we are in a beautiful season right now. Again, I think you've heard how many times Mrs. Duffield has told you how much I love spring. So I'm going to go ahead and color my spring flower. There are so many things blooming right now. There are the little daisies and the black-eyed Susans, and my roses haven't started blooming, but they're certainly getting buds, and they're going to want to probably sometime in May. So very fun. Love the flowers. Love the green grass. Love the trees blooming and the pretty flowering trees too. Those are so pretty. Okay, I'm just coloring my egg and my little bunny here, nice and cute. I'm going to color him like an orange color or a brown. It's kind of a burnt sienna color, which is a dark browny orange kind of red color, like a brick, almost like a brick color, like brick. There we go. Then we'll put a little bit of that green in his ears. Okay, so now we're going to do our equations, and we're equaling 28, and this is the last one we're doing for this month. So we need our full number line. I've got it all here. You can't quite see it all, but that's okay. We're equaling 28, so I want you to be able to see the 28. So I'm going to just do, maybe I'll do one subtraction problem, and then I'll do the rest addition. So I'm going to start at a high number. I'll start at 21. So 21 plus, remember to always write it down so you remember what number you're starting with. 21, and remember we're going to 28. So I start at 21. How many more to get to 28? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 21 plus 7 equals 28. Okay, let's go ahead and start with another one. Let's do a subtraction one. Let's start with 30. We'll start with our biggest number that we have here. 30 minus, make sure your symbol is right. This is addition, this is subtraction. So 30 minus what equals 28? So we're going to find out. We have to go down the number line when we're subtracting. 1, 2. So 30 minus 2 equals 28. Okay, our last one, we're going to equal 28. I'm going to come down here. I'll start with 13. 13, and we're going to be adding this time, plus. So how many to equal? We're going to go all the way up to 28. So 13 plus what number equals 28? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 13 plus 15 equals 28. Those are some big equations we did. I am so proud of you and how well you did with all the math on these. What fun we have had. I can't wait to see you for the other lessons. We are almost through April. Woohoo! And then we get to start May, and it's a new fun unit. I've had a lot of fun with you guys through April. And I miss you. I love you. We'll see you on the next one. Okay, talk to you in a minute.